Nissan Fairlady Z, especially 350Z and 370Z, is definitely one of the most iconic and most popular sports car that's ever created by Nissan. But unfortunately, back in year 2020, Nissan has completely stopped production for the 370Z. And 2 years later, year 2022, they have reintroduced the new Fairlady Z to the market, which is this latest generation Nissan Z. So the new Z, it come back with a new styling, new body, new engine, bigger power. Definitely this is something different compared to the previous generation. But unfortunately, because of the regulations and stuff, the new Fairlady Z, it doesn't sound like the previous generations since it does not have the NA engine. Now it comes with a turbocharged engine instead. So today in the shop, we have this year 2023 Nissan Fairlady Z is in for exhaust upgrade. And now before we begin the exhaust installation, we'll do a sound check, listen to how does the Fairlady Z sounds like with the factory exhaust system. But this Fairlady Z is not entirely stock because I was told that the car has a Nismo catback exhaust system installed. So let's find out how does the Nismo exhaust sounds like on the car. So here we have removed the factory exhaust system out from the Fairlady Z. So this is the Nismo catback system for the car. And in the beginning of the video, you have heard this exhaust system, it actually doesn't sound loud at all. It just basically sounds like a vacuum cleaner. And that's also the reason why the owner, he sent the car in for exhaust upgrade. Even though the car does have a Nismo exhaust system, but he figured out this is just too quiet for the car. So this is the AWE Touring catback exhaust system for the Fairlady Z. This is a resonated version. Now we'll take a few minutes to talk a little bit more about this AWE system and the factory Nismo system. So on the Nismo exhaust, as you can see, this is the front pipe, but I have no idea why Nissan they designed the exhaust system this way. Just look at the front pipes, the diameter of this. These are extremely small. I assume that these are only 1.5 inch on the diameter. So definitely this is not sufficient for the car. And also it's very quiet because of the design of the exhaust itself. On the middle, you have these two very long center resonator. And to the rear, the Nismo rear muffler that actually kills off a lot of sound on the car because this Nismo muffler, right inside this muffler, there is a lot of restrictions, a lot of blockage, lots of filtration in the muffler. That's also the reason why, even though with the so-called Nismo exhaust system on the Fairlady Z, the car just doesn't sound sporty at all. While on the other hand, this is the AWE Touring exhaust system for the Fairlady Z. So obviously, this exhaust system is a lot more aggressive compared to the original system. By just looking at the diameter of the pipes, this is definitely a lot larger compared to the original system, which gives the car more sound, more power, of course. Down to the center, since this is a resonated version, so of course we have two resonators at the mid pipes just to lower down a little bit of tone and also to reduce the drone in the cabin. And towards the rear, the AWE's patented 180 technology rear mufflers for the touring version. So with the touring exhaust system installed on the car, guaranteed that you won't get any drone because of the AWE's patented anti-drone technology, which is this 180 technology. And finally, to the rear, these beautiful tailpipes from AWE finished in chrome black color, and obviously these are a lot larger compared to the Nismo tailpipe. So when we have this installed on the car, it fills up the gap in between the diffusers. It gives the car a more aggressive look, more sporty look for sure. So that's all for the product explanation part. Now we'll proceed to install the AWE system onto the Fairlady Z, and once we have everything fitted, of course we'll do a sound check, listen to how it sounds like after we upgraded with the AWE Touring catback exhaust system, and also we'll bring the Fairlady Z out for a test drive just to listen how it actually performs driving on the road with the brand new AWE exhaust. We have completed the installation of the AWE Touring exhaust system on this beautiful Nissan Z, and now the car, it sounds amazing. Definitely a lot sportier, a lot louder, and a lot more aggressive compared to the Nismo back system. Now the AWE system, it fits the car more. It gives the car a proper sporty exhaust tone compared to the Nismo exhaust system. And also I assume that this is the very first Nissan Z in Malaysia to be equipped with an AWE exhaust system, and also this is actually the first Nissan Z that we have here in our shop. So a little bit of information on the latest generation Nissan Z. Right under the hood now, it comes with a 3-liter V6 twin turbo engine instead of the 3.5 or 3.7 NA engine that you have on the previous generation 350Z or the 370Z. And also the latest generation Nissan Z, it does available in a manual transmission and also automatic transmission. Like this one, it is a manual transmission, so it's quite rare to see the car makers nowadays that still offer a manual transmission on the sports car. Back in year 2021, when Nissan announced the latest generation Nissan Z to the public, it actually shocks the public with the design of this car. It looks really beautiful and it's a mixture of different generation Nissan Z. As instance, the front end, it is inspired by the original 240Z, and on the rear lights is inspired by the 300ZX, while for the body proportions, it has the very iconic long hood short deck proportions. That is basically how all the Nissan Z cars looks like from the past generations to the latest generation. It remains the very iconic Nissan Z design language. Moving to the interior of the latest generation Nissan Z, you will be greeted with a very familiar looking cockpit layout, especially the 3 meters right over here on top of the dashboard. The very iconic Nissan Z meters that appears on the previous generation 350Z and also 370Z. But now on the latest generation Nissan Z, on the left side we have the battery voltage, then the middle we have the turbo speed, and on the right we have the boost meter. Also, this car, it features a 6-speed manual transmission that is actually quite rare to see, given that nowadays not every car maker they offer their sports cars available in a manual transmission, but of course you can opt to go with a 6-speed automatic transmission as well. So for this Nissan Z, the rest of the interior, it is finished off in black and yellow color elements, so everything is finished off in black color leather with yellow color stitchings, and also this beautiful semi bucket seats with the yellow color elements. These seats are actually quite comfortable to sit, given that this is actually a Grand Tourer sports car, so definitely these seats will actually hold you in position while giving you a comfort ride for long journey drives. That's all for today's video, so let us know in the comment sections below what do you think about the AWE Touring catback exhaust system on the latest generation Nissan Z, and also how does the car looks like. This is the latest generation Nissan Z with the 3-liter V6 twin turbocharged engine. Of course, it does not have the same kind of sound like the previous generation NA engines, but this is not bad either with the AWE Touring exhaust system. So if you enjoy our content, remember to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting contents in the future. We will see you in our next video.